Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play 2 players on Plants vs. Zombies Battle for Neighborville. To set up local split screen, first head to the main menu. From there, select the private play option. You can then choose from various game modes, like Turf Takeover or Team Vanquish, which support 2 players. Simply connect a second controller to your console, and the game will automatically invite the second player to join. Both of you can then pick your favorite characters and customize them before jumping into the action. Beyond local play, you can also team up online with a friend. Both of you will need an active internet connection and a copy of the game. From the main menu, you can easily invite a friend to your squad, either directly in-game or through your console's friend list. Once connected, you can explore the free roam regions for player versus environment missions or dive into player versus player matches as a unified team. This offers a dynamic way to experience the game's vast world and challenges together. When comparing local versus online play, each offers distinct advantages. Local split screen provides that classic, immediate, face-to-face interaction, perfect for sharing a couch and laughs. Online play, however, opens up the game to a much larger player base, allowing you to join matches with up to 24 players in certain modes. While local is limited to 2 players on one console, online offers greater flexibility and access to a wider variety of experiences, though it does require a stable internet connection. So, which co-op mode is better? Ultimately, it depends on what you and your friend are looking for. For a casual, shared screen experience with one other person, local split screen is absolutely ideal. If you prefer competitive play, want to team up with more than one friend, or enjoy the vastness of online communities, then online multiplayer is the superior choice. Both options provide fantastic ways to enjoy the game's vibrant world and unique character abilities, ensuring hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.